Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of your Mobills account using the Mobills application on your mobile device. So let's get to the video right away since the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure to launch open the Mobills application on your device. Once you're inside this main dashboard, tap on your profile picture which should appear at the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the profile menu, you will be able to see the logout option appearing at the very bottom. Make sure you remember your credentials that you used while signing up for Mobills so that in case you want to get back to your account even after logging out of it. If you're sure you remember your credential, you can tap on Logout safely and tap on Yes. Wait for a few seconds and you will be redirected to the main interface, and it means that you have successfully logged out of your account. That is how you can easily and securely log out of your Mobills application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.